Hello, guys. Welcome back. This year has definitely not been the most productive year. Definitely not been the year जिसमें मैंने सब चीज़ें कर ली जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी, जो मैं अपने आप से एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी. So it has definitely been the year of a lot of uncertainties, but I still have some ways of making the last 6 months work, because right now it's not about what all you are doing, it's all about surviving, it's all about still living the life that you want, it's still finding the happiness in the little things that you're doing. First thing what you want to do to make the last 6 months of this year slightly more happier and productive is that accept this situation. Accept that there is a pandemic happening, there are lots of earthquakes happening, there are lots of things happening around the globe. So understand that this is the reality and you don't know for how long this is gonna last. एक बार जब इसको accept कर लेते हैं, then we know कि हाँ अब there's no going back. And always trust in the supreme power that you are guided, you are protected, and you are blessed. There is nothing that's going to happen wrong with you. Even if there is, he is going to protect you. He is always going to guide you, as always he has been. So always feel like you are his child, you are being protected, you are being guided. This is like the first thing that you got to do is thank him that even after 6 months you are safe, you are protected, you are still at your home in a good place. The second thing what you can do is take micro steps. बहुत छोटे छोटे steps लेने हैं in the things that you want to do. जो भी आपका goal है, you don't have to make a big list of things of what you want to do. All that you want to do is कि जो भी आपका काम है, if I am planning to write an article, I want to make sure कि मैं उसको अगर 1 month में complete करने का सोच रही थी, then I might want to take another 1.5 months to do it, because I don't want to overwhelm myself with a lot of work. There is already so much happening and there are so many emotions already that I go through every day, every week and that's why I just want to make it easy for myself. So make it easy for yourself of how you want to do those tasks. Schedule them in such a way कि ज़्यादा overwhelming ना हो, बहुत ज़्यादा काम ना हो, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं, because that is exactly what is going to give you that sense of achievement right now. What I have started to do is कि मैं एक रात पहले अपनी अगले दिन की चीज़ें लिख लेती हूँ जो मुझे करनी है. So in that way what happens is that in the morning when I get up, I don't have a lot of things to worry about. I know what I'm gonna do. And वो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें होती भी नहीं है, बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जिससे मुझे एक सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट मिल जाता है. अगर आप बैठ के पूरे 6 months का एक प्लान बनाने वाले हो, दैट्स नॉट गोना वर्क आउट. यू कैन जस्ट मेक अ प्लान ऑफ 1 month. अगर 1 month भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है तो 1 week का बना लो. 1 week भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है तो आज बैठ के सिर्फ कल का बना लो कि कल क्या करना है, ठीक है, या आज क्या करना है. कभी कभी वी आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड वी आर इरिटेटेड एंड वी आर एंग्री एट द थिंग्स बिकॉज हम लोग अपने ही काम ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. मेरा जैसे बहुत देर से कोई एक काम पेंडिंग है बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू इट. दैट्स वाई इट्स कॉजिंग मोर लाइक अ ग्रम्पी श्रेया. तो उस केस में क्या होता है ना, इफ़ आई डू अ लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग टास्क का कुछ छोटा सा भी काम आज कर लूँगी, आई विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग हैप्पी. सो दिस इज द सेंस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट राइट नाउ कि कुछ छोटा सा कर लो सो दैट यू आर स्टिल प्रोग्रेसिंग एंड यू आर नॉट ओवरवेलमिंग योर सेल्फ विद अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू. कुछ पता नहीं है कल क्या होना है, कुछ नहीं पता 6 महीने के बाद क्या होना है. So that's why just make small things to do, small itineraries, and stick to that. And understand what you want to do. Understand that you are here. You are planted here for a reason. You are still alive. You are still breathing. You are still with a goal and a purpose in life. And you can do it. And the third thing is that respect your emotions and vent out. Have people जिनसे आप कभी भी कोई भी बात कर सकते हो without being judged at all. And speak your heart out, vent कर दो and then just be done and dusted with it. Sometimes 15-20 minutes in a day वो इतने ज़्यादा troublesome हो जाते हैं that we let that cycle go for the entire day. जैसे अगर 10-15 मिनट दिन के ख़राब हो गए तो हमें उधर नहीं, बस पूरा दिन ही ख़राब हो चुका है. So just break that cycle and be like, fine, I just had like some bad and a rough time, and think about the cans and can'ts. देख लो कि आप कौन सी चीज़ है जो कर ही सकते हो, जो घर पे बैठ के आपको अपनी सैंक्चुरी में बैठ के कंप्लीट करना है. आई मीन दैट्स नॉट गोना टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. ऑल इट नीड्स इज दैट सेल्फ मोटिवेशन दैट इट नीड्स टू बी डन. हाँ, और जो चीज़ें जो होनी ही नहीं है उनको भी एक्सेप्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ट्रैवलिंग कैंसिल फॉर अनदर 6 months. Let's see what will happen after 6 months, then we can plan. So then there are some things जो पॉसिबल हैं और जो पॉसिबल नहीं है, कि हम लोग कहीं वो चीज़ें तो नहीं करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, अपने आप को उन चीज़ों से ओवरवेलम तो नहीं कर रहे हैं जो हो नहीं पा रही हैं, जो होनी भी नहीं है. So that's why just accept this, do whatever you need to do. It's time पे if you want to go on a digital detox, you want to switch off the news, you don't want to see something, or you are watching something that is troubling you more and which is not giving you the self motivation that you need, switch it off. You are not a robot, you are a human. You need to pay the most importance to your feelings, so do that. And I hope that the next 6 months of your 2020 are still gonna be reasonably good and are gonna make you super proud of yourself. And I'll see you guys again in my next video.